Okay, so what we're going to do here is create a form using MakeForms AI form builder, which is going to be fun. It's so easy. Let's do it together in just a few minutes. Okay. As you can see right now, I am in MakeForms. I'm going to click on the button that says create a form, and then I'm going to click on AI form creator. Now, I'm going to use the form name to describe the form that I want it to build. This is very important because it's going to use this form name to generate a form for us, okay? So I'm going to go with the agency website for quote form, okay? And I'm also going to make the form a multi-step form. You don't have to do this, but I think it's really helpful when designing a custom form. So I'm going to start with step 1, which is personal details. And remember, this is the information that you're already looking to collect. So you just have to basically list the form steps, right? The second is website design details. And then the final will be creative design references. Okay. And if I was like building out a form, normally manually, I would have these sections in this form. So I'm just going to go ahead and list it here. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to click create. And now MakeForms is going to do its thing. It's basically analyzing the form description. As you can see on the screen, it's generating fields, updating field settings, and then within seconds, it's going to display the form that it built using AI. And there you go, it's loading now. So let's see what we got. All right, okay, this is a form. We have personal details, makes sense, full name, phone number, etc. Next, website design details, website name, e-commerce or what website type and purpose. That's great. And then creative design references, the color scheme, logo, images, fonts. Awesome. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to, because just for the fun of it, it's only been a few minutes, I'm going to customize this with a logo. So let's go and add a logo. Oh, there you go. So we'll use this agency made up design logo. And then we will, let's see, change the background because why not? We're already here. All right. Let's close that. Go to colors, theme color. All right. And apply. Now, also keep in mind, I mean, that's as far as we're going to go here, but you can customize the fonts. You can also change the design style. All right. But we're going to go with that for now. And then another thing I do want to mention is that in the build phase, you can add more elements if some things are missing. You can change form settings as well. So there's a bunch of things you can do to customize the form once your AI or MakeForms AI generates it for you. But for our purposes, this is like perfect. It's a multi-step form and we're going to click publish. Basically, in under 10 minutes, we have a form that we can receive like real information from our potential customers. And what I love about MakeForms is you have so many different options to share your form, as well as generate different links based on the source, but that's a whole new video. Anyway, the form is done. As you can see, we're loading the form and we're good to go, all in just a few minutes. So that's it. If you have any other questions, let us know. We'll do more videos like this. Thanks. Bye.